a whole day of sailing. Mama and Dada were excited to use the upgrades they put on the boat last time. Also, their new skills they learned while on distant shores. While sailing, my brothers and I got to sit in the dinghy that was being pulled behind the boat. It was so much fun. We had pretty good wind to get us on our way. Plan was to circle around the islands, then sail over by Sandy Bay, where we would anchor for the night. Dada went to try some downwind sailing, so they set up the wing and wing. It was nice because the boat wasn't heeling over as much, but the wind quickly changed, so they had to change the sails. After about 3 hours of sailing, we made it around the islands across the lake to Sandy Bay. Mama dropped the anchor and we all jumped into the lake for some playtime. Checked out under the boat and found a few things attached to it, so we did a little TLC under the boat. It was a perfect day for an adventure with the family on the lake.